Hello, my name is Francesca and this is the demo of my web application. I have created my web application prototype in Wix because of issues I had with my initial plan. Wix does not allow to fully develop every functionality in the business plan. However, as I go along, I will be mentioning a few limitations the prototype has. I am showing this demo on a smartphone because this is the main purpose of the website. It is meant for people using it at a restaurant or at a bar or in the street looking for the closest location. So this is the home page where you would land. You have a welcome message, a map, and an explore page. So in the map you can either enter an address, so for example, or postcode. So let's enter WC1E and it will show you that postcode in the green dot. You could also activate your location, which you will need to give permission to. And you can also choose the radius at which it searches for venues. So at the moment I have only introduced three venues for the purpose of showing how the website would work. But if it was functioning, it would obviously have more venues available. So once you search for a location or you activate your location, your current location, you can click on the venues and read about it, read information about the venues. You can also get directions to that venue, which is very useful if, for example, you are out in the street and you want to find the closest restaurant or bar and you don't know how to get there, so you would use this. If I go back, you could use this link where it says view website to access the venue homepage, where you can see the menu, order or book a table, and I will show you that in a minute. For the purpose of the demonstration, I'm going to use the Italian restaurant as the main one, as Wix only allows you to have one booking system and one ordering system per website, which meant that I couldn't prototype it for every venue I created. But for the purpose of showing how it would work, I am going to use the Italian restaurant. So further down you have an explore page where you get suggestions which you might want to try. And if, for example, you see something you like, so Italian restaurant, I would click see more. And this would take me to the Italian restaurant homepage. Here you can see the address, the timetable. You then get an option to order, which I will cover later on. A map shows where the venue is located, and it can also provide directions by pressing on this button again. Further down you have the reservations. Here you can choose a date, a time, and a party size. If the website was fully functioning, when you press book now, you would receive a reservation confirmation, and it would be reserved if the venue accepts and has that availability. However, Wix does not allow you to activate reservations. You need to buy a subscription plan, which is why this functionality is limited on the prototype. If you go further down, you can see the menu, so you can see all the menu options they offer: starters, main courses, the prices, and it also gives you indication if it's vegetarian or any other dietary requirements. If you have a look and you're interested in going out to this restaurant, or you're already at the restaurant, you would then go up here and you would click on order. This would take you to the order page, where you can look through the starters and the main courses, which were the menu that we just saw previously. As you may have noticed, the prices are in dollars. This is another limitation of Wix. On the dashboard, pound sterling is selected as the primary currency. However, Wix, for some reason, has not changed that. But in the case of book, order and pay, it would be in pound sterling. So if you're at this restaurant and you want to order, for example this, you would click on it. You can add special requirements, select the quantity you want, so let's say 2, add to your order. Say I want this as well. Again, you can add special requests of quantity, add to your order. If in the end you want a salmon and not what you ordered, you would press view cart. Here you can edit, so you could go back and ask for a special requirement, or you can remove or decrease or increase the quantity of each item. You could also add order notes. As Wix does not permit to fully change the functionalities of this without paying a subscription, ideally this is where you would enter your table number to then click on checkout, and the food will be delivered to your table. Ordering is another functionality which is on the premium subscription of Wix, which is why it doesn't work on the prototype, but it would work on the final version. So if you go here, the logo goes back to the home page. You then have a navigation bar with only home and about us, as from the home is where you would go to all the venues available, and then about us offers a bit about the story of why book, order and pay was created and what it intends to provide, and you can also contact the company. Another functionality is the account. So you could sign up using Facebook, Google or email. So if, for example, I use this, sign up, I already have an account. So it says that this account already exists. So I can go to login, and I want to log in with email. So once you've logged into your account, sorry, 1 minute, I'm logging in again. Once you've logged into your account, you can go to your account, and here you can set a profile picture, a username, and then your details, which you can update. And once you have them in place, you can always come back here and change these details. Another functionality which is also available with Premium is to have your orders and your bookings in your profile, so you could go back and see the bookings you have for the future, or your previous bookings. The ones in the future you would be able to cancel, and in your orders you could see your last orders if you want to repeat a restaurant, or you want to know what you ordered last time because you enjoyed that food. So yeah, this is book, order and pay prototype. As I said, this is a very limited functionality, but it is a little demo of how it would work if the full functionalities could be developed in the future. Thank you.